Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am Brea Rahanna. This is the box that my frontal came in, and this is the bag that it came in. They also send sewing thread, which I find really cool. I will put the link down below if you want to purchase the frontal or the bundles. I bought them separately from two different companies. And this is the frontal. It's a 13 by 6. It's a lot of parting space, which I really love and I'm really hyped about. The hair was soft. I liked it. I washed the hair and I washed the bundles. These are the two 22-inch bundles that I got. As you can see, the bundles are not the same curl pattern as the frontal, but it's fine. I still love the hairstyle anyway. That's what the two bundles came in, 2 bags, and this is what I'm going to be bleaching the hair with, 40 developer and this blue bleaching powder, and I have my tweezers. So right here I'm going to be mixing up the developer with the powder, and I want to get it mixed up really good and really thick. Not too thick, but thick, you know, thick. I let the bleach sit on the hair for about 40 minutes. I had the timer on and I checked the hair every 10 minutes. I know you're not supposed to over process the hair, but I don't give a fuck. I over processed it or whatever. I wanted it to be really light, no yellow, none of that nonsense. I didn't want no light brown. I wanted it to be like scalp, okay? This is how much hair I got from the frontal, and the bundles did shed a little bit. I got a little bit of hair. This is rubbing alcohol. I think this is 91%. And I'm just taking some tissue paper and wiping off the got to be glued spray. And I'm putting some foundation on the cap and all over my frontal. And I'm using Bold Hold glue. And I got these popsicles. And I'm just marking out the front of the frontal, like the dips and stuff in it, so that I don't go past it. And I'm using the popsicles to apply the Bold Hold glue, and I applied 4 layers. Hold, and I'm gonna stick it down. This is I had got this Bold Hold like I think last year or something like that, so it's old. I ran out of my Ghost Bond glue. This is how much parting space. It looks so nice. So I'm just trying to press the lace into the glue. I haven't used this glue in a long time, and when I was using it, it was giving me problems, so I stopped using it. So I don't know. I tried to blow dry it like how I would with the Ghost Bond on heat to melt the lace into the glue, but it started to turn white, so I blow dried it on cool and used the comb to press down as much as I can. So here I'm cutting out, I don't know what this is, ear tabs or something. The frontal is just too big, so I'm just cutting it out so it's not over my ear. I don't like stuff touching my ear, so I was just cutting that off. And also a tip, you don't have to open your scissors all the way so that you don't cut the hair. You just want to cut the lace. So I sewed down the back of the frontal. And also I totally forgot to cut the tan cap off in the back. I don't know why I forgot, but I did. So when I started molding the hair down, you could see the cap in the back because I forgot to cut it. I was supposed to cut it. But here I'm using some mousse, some curling mousse or whatever. And because I don't want it to be straight, I don't want it to be super flat, I want it to be wavy. I want the waves. I want the waves to be spinning.
Stop, I'm gonna pass out. You will not.
Okay, so I'm also using Eco Styler gel just to hold it in place. Eco be getting the curls popping too, you know, get the waves on luscious. Yes. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm leaving out a little, well, it's not a little, that's some hefty sideburns that I'm leaving out because I want them to be curly. I was listening to music, so that's why I keep dancing. I put Eco Styler all the way down on the sideburns so that they would get curly. I do get shape ups in the back. That's why the back is so short. It's hard to like really gel up. I have to tie it down in the back. But anyway, right here I'm braiding the frontal and I put a rubber band on the end to hold the braid. Now I'm going to be sewing on my ponytail and I am keeping the wefts doubled and I'm just sewing that around the braid. I didn't have any bobby pins. Now I'm putting the last bundle. I put the whole bundle on the end and now I'm putting the last bundle, the whole last bundle. I wrapped it around the base and now I'm taking a piece of hair and wrapping that around to hide the track, the weft that you might be able to see. So now we're getting into the makeup portion, which everything is sped up. This is a look that I was trying to recreate. Yeah, everything I'm using you've seen me use before. There's nothing new that I'm using.
Perfect.
After I placed all the colors down, I took a really skinty, tiny brush and put down a thin white line in between the colors to make it look neon like in the picture. I didn't record myself doing it because I needed to be up close right in the mirror to see, and I didn't want to adjust the camera, so yeah. And I'm putting on foundation, concealer. All this stuff is the same stuff I've been using. I was trying to do this lip that I saw this other girl do, but I did not like it on myself. It looked ridiculous. You know, like when you lick your lips too much in the winter and you get that dry discoloration around your lips? That's what it was giving me. So I wiped it off and did a nude lip. And that's really just it. Okay, so right here I'm going into my chocolate bar palette, my favorite palette, and I'm taking the black, make the part look less eat out, less bald. It looked bald to me. It might look nice to you, but it don't to me. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.